Gumroad is totally mind blowing and it's a complete gold mine. That it's interesting that you can actually start, grow, and manage your entire online business using Gumroad. Now, today I'm going to take you through a deep step guide through using Gumroad and some of the things that you can actually do with Gumroad. It is one of the best, and I totally believe that anyone who wants to actually start themselves up in this online business should actually go ahead to use Gumroad. So this is Gumroad. You just have to come here, sign up, and just start using it. All we're going to do here is the home. So when you come to the home, you have I'm selling and some of the things that are actually going on, the activities. Let's go to the product. And this is where it's going to get interesting because I'm going to show you what are the things that you can actually do with Gumroad. So here is the part that is interesting. Now you are trying to start an online business. There are different components of actually running an online business. You may have different missions or things you want to do. Maybe you want to sell a digital product. Maybe you want to sell courses, which used to be places that you can actually be selling on Udemy and Teachable and all these platforms. But Gumroad also provides you that. You can actually sell your courses on Gumroad. You can sell an ebook. You can sell membership. You can sell physical products and you can sell bundles. A bundle is two or more of your existing products that you're actually going to bring it together. Creating a product is super easy. All we're going to do is to select one. Let's say we want to create a digital product. So let's say we want to create a course, or let's say we want to create an ebook. All you got to do is to click it and just come here, give it a name, and let's call it ebook. Or let's say how to grow, or Instagram. Let's say Instagram growth hack. Okay, so let's say you have such an ebook and you just have to come here, name your price, let's say $5, and all you got to do is to go to next to customize, and there we have it. All you got to do is to write a description, which you can use ChatGPT to actually do, add your cover, add the other stuff from here. Let's say let's add an image. So any of the images you can add over here, add the content, and in the content side, here's where you're actually going to upload the ebook. So already you just come here, maybe you have a file on your computer, you just have to come here and select the file or any of the things and actually upload it over here, that anyone who actually just pays the money can actually find a link to download, and you don't have to be involved in any of this process, not even a time. So it is just going to do that, and when you are done, you are just going to say share, and once you share it, it will be out there to be used. So this is it. This is the first product that we can actually do with Gumroad. Let me also show you the other things. Let's say you want to create a course with Gumroad. All you're going to do is actually just click on the course or the tutorial, and you just have to give it a name. So let's say Instagram, the same thing, Instagram growth hack course. And all you got to do is just name the price, and all you can do is just to start and customize it. Here is a checkout. In the checkout, this is where like people actually come here. You can do the checkout form, so you can create a customized checkout form for yourself, and you can also do an upsell. Now, what is an upsell? You see that when you're on the internet and people sell you something for as little as $1, and after you've purchased it, they recommend that, hey, would you like to buy my course, which is just $25? That's what we call an upsell. An upsell is when someone takes you through a funnel. A funnel is they take you through something very cheap because you purchased it, so you've built some kind of connection or trust with them, and then they lead you to buying something which is more expensive. So that is what we call an upsell. And the fact that Gumroad can actually do this makes it interesting, because we used to be using ClickFunnels to do this, and you needed complicated softwares and actually automations to do upsells. But Gumroad is going to help you do that. Let's get to emails. In the emails, these are the emails of people who have actually, or this is where you are going to have your email newsletter. I'm going to share with you that. So you can be scheduling emails. You can have your subscribers, who are the people who are subscribed to your email. So if you're having an email list, you can actually be sending them emails over here. So I'm going to show you exactly that. Let's come back to the product. And let me show you how you can actually start building your own email list with this. So if you want to create an email list, what you're going to use is the membership. So we're going to click the membership because it's like a membership when you're creating a newsletter. And what do you want to call this? So let's say the online business entrepreneurs. Okay, entrepreneur, something like that. And let's put the price to be 0. Okay, and let's just add. So once we are here, all we're going to do is to add certain things. And once you are done with this, actually, this is going to lead to people, when they click that, they become a member, because it's like a membership. So they become a member. And with this, anyone who clicks this and joins, actually, after you've shared, you have a share link to share with the people. They become a member, and you can actually send them emails over here. So here you can see your published emails. You can schedule emails over here. Like you can write emails and schedule them. You can have drafts of your emails, and you can actually see your subscribers over here. Let's look at the workflows. So what do we have in the workflows? The workflow is simply A typical example of when I built something like an email newsletter. So here you're just going to be creating a new workflow, for example. So when someone purchases something, or when you have a new subscriber or a member cancels or a new affiliate, any one of these, you can actually select whichever one you want. You can either create any of this workflow. So let's say we create a workflow for when someone purchases something from us. So let's call it, let's say, the sales funnel, or let me just call it workflow. So this is the sales workflow. I save and I continue. And once we are here, we just want to say which type of product. Maybe you have different types of products. You select one and has not yet bought. If they have not yet bought it also, or if they have already bought it or have not yet bought, whichever one. And you can just say paid more than, or you can actually select and just put in the data of the things you wanted to know before they send out that kind of a workflow. And it's super easy. Once you press continue and save, you can actually send it over there. And then let's go to the sales. These are the sales that I've done on this account so far. I live in Turkey. I have different platforms I use for my sales, and I actually sell to Turkish people. So I have a different platform for that. But these are all when I wasn't able to receive payment from outside. And as you can see, the $22 are, these are just ebooks that I just uploaded and I left it there. And the $40 are also other stuff like $5 for the ebook. So people just buy the ebook and then they use it. And the analytics side, you can actually check out what is going on, your sales, your views, and check out everything that is actually going on over here. Your payouts is where they're going to pay you. Gumroad actually makes payments through Stripe and also direct to your bank account, and you can actually go through that. So that is basically Gumroad. I believe it is very useful and it's a great place to actually get started if you are trying to start and grow your online business. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, you can drop it down in the comment section and I'll be very happy to respond to you. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and I'm trusting you that you're going to be successful with your online business. See you in the next videos. Let's go. Bye.